एग्जाम से पहले घर वाले शुरू हो जाते।
बादाम दूध पी लो बेटा, दिमाग बढ़ेगा।
सूर्य नमस्कार करो बेटा, सूर्य नमस्कार।
सुबह सुबह ठंडे पानी से स्नान करो बेटा। मार्क्स के लिए ना टिप्स हर कोई देता है, गारंटी कोई नहीं देता।
इसलिए वेदांतु इंप्रूवमेंट प्रॉमिस।
अब वेदांतु मार्क्स बढ़ाने की जिम्मेदारी लेगा और गारंटी देगा, वरना आपकी पूरी फीस वापस।
ओह, अब ये होती है गारंटी। थैंक यू वेदांतु।
Hey guys, hi, hello, namaste, adab, sat sri akal, assalamu alaikum, vanakkam and khambagani to all of you. How are you all doing, guys? Welcome to today's class, and as you all know, this is your Prodigy series for ICSE 10th, and the topic we are discussing is ratio and proportion. Fairly easy topic. So if you all remember, guys, we have already finished this topic and we are discussing this in the one shot video today, in which we will be discussing the whole chapter once again, revising the whole session once again. So this session will be helpful before your examination, and now also if you have followed the series properly, you will be able to revise the whole chapter. Or you have already studied the chapter, you want to revise this whole chapter, this video is going to be very helpful for you. But if you have any doubt, be it from ratios, be it from proportions, the different types of ratios, rules of proportion, application problem, I have done separate three sessions for that, so please refer those videos as well. Alright, okay guys, so this is all. Let us start the class. So before I start my class, if you all remember, I gave you homework question in the previous class, and it was by increasing the cost of entry ticket to a fair in the ratio 10:13, the number of visitors to the fair has decreased in the ratio 6:5. In what ratio has the total collection increased or decreased? So देखो बेटा, if I see very clearly, तो there is not much like simple है बेटा. The cost ratio we know is 10:13, right? So if the cost ratio is 10:13, I can say earlier the ratio of the ticket, the cost of the ticket I can take at 10x, then it is 13x now. Alright, so let's say, alright, cost of one ticket in case 1, case 2. So it is 10:13, so let's say 10x and here 13x. And number of visitors are decreased in the ratio 6:5. So number of visitors ratio is given to be 6:5 now. So 6y, 5y. So I can say total collection. But obviously total collection is what? Whatever number of visitors we have multiplied with the cost of ticket. है ना? If there are suppose say 100 visitors and cost of one ticket is let's say 10 rupees. So 100 into 10,000 rupees is the collection. So same way 10 into x is 60xy. And 13 5 is 65xy. This will be the ratio of the total collection. So we can clearly say in the case 1 it is 60xy, in the second case it is 65xy. So we can clearly see the ratio, the collection has increased. The collection has increased, and in what ratio it has increased? It has increased in this ratio 60xy divided by 65xy. This to this got cancelled. 5 12s are 5 13s are. So the increase in the collection is in the ratio 12:13. Easy? Alright. So this will be the increase in the ratio. I was waiting for your answer, guys. So always please make sure that whenever I give you a homework question, give your answer in the comment section. Alright. Okay, so this is ratio and proportion, one short video, and I am your master teacher of mathematics here at Vedantu, Gopal Paliwal, and I have done my graduation from IIT Dhanbad and have been teaching from the past 5 years. These are the credentials you can see on your screen, guys, if you don't know about me. Alright, okay, so this is the introduction. Let's move ahead with the topic. Alright, so first thing beta, let's revise what we have done. So first we have talked about ratio. I have told you ratio is to compare two quantities and we do it by the division. Alright, so and in this the first thing is called antecedent, this is called consequent. Ratio does not have any units and ratio must be expressed in the lowest term. That means keep do the cancellation if it can be. Alright, ठीक है. अब देखो, for example, let's look at a question based on this. What it says, x is to y is 4:7. Find the value of 3x plus 2y. is to 5x plus y. So I can say if I have 3x plus 2y upon 5x plus y, let's divide both the sides, both the numerator and denominator with y. So it will become 3x by y plus 2 divided by 5x by y plus 1. And we know x by y is what? 4 by 7. So we can say 3 times of 4 by 7 plus 2 divided by 5 times of 4 by 7 plus 1. So add them. So it will be 3 4s are 12 by 7 plus 2 divided by 20 by 7 plus 1. Take LCM. 7 2s are 14. 12 plus 14 by 7 whole divided by 20 plus 7 by 7. 7 to 7 got cancelled. 12 plus 14 will be equal to 26 divided by 27. Alright. So the ratio of 3x plus 2y is to 5x plus y will be equal to 26 upon 27. Fairly easy question, right? Not that difficult. We knew that the value of x by y is given. So if the value of x by y is given, let's try to create x by y. One more way you can do this, method 2. Just make sure you know this also. Method 2, it can be solved in this form also. That see, since I know x is to y is 4 is to 7, right? So I can take x as suppose 4a, y as 7a and replace that value in this form. So it will be 3 times of 4a plus 2 times of 7a divided by 5 times of 4a plus 7a. Alright, same thing if you do. So 3 4s are 12 plus 14a, so it will be 26a divided by 27a. A to a got cancelled, again 26 by 27. So these are the two methods of solving it. These are the two methods of solving this question. Easy, right? Now when we talk about the increase or decrease in the ratio, as in the homework question was also given, what we generally do if a quantity increases or decreases, say if x increase or decrease in the ratio a is to b, you'll do simple thing, x upon the new quantity x dash, make it equal to a by b. So the new quantity x dash will be x times of shift b over a. That's the simple thing. So I want all of you to remember this thing. Alright, ratio. The problems of this increase decrease is very easy. What it's saying, the income of a man is increased in the ratio 10 is to 11. If the increase in his income is rupees 600 per month, find his new income. So increase in the income is 600. Alright, so I can say, sir, let's say earlier income, alright, is let's say x. Alright, so old income upon new income. Alright, old income upon new income is given as 10 is to 11, right? So I can take old income as 10x, new income as 11x, right? So I can say, sir, old income is let's say 10x and new income is let's say 11x. Okay, sir. All right. Now the increase in the income is what? 600. So I can say 11x minus 10x is equal to 600. That is the increase, right? Now it is 11x. Earlier it was 10x. So difference between them is the increase. So we can say x equal to 600. If x is equal to 600, that means I can say, sir, new income which I need to find out will be 11 into x, because it is 11x. So it will be 6,600. Easy, very easy, right? So 6,600 will be your correct answer. Done. Then we have composition of ratios. अब composition of ratios में I have told you guys, देखो, this is very easy. Important thing is, if you don't have the knowledge of this different ratios, then if a question uses this term, you will not be able to solve this. That is why I have told you, please remember, compound ratio is nothing but multiplication of two ratios. So a by b and c by d is there, multiply them. So a into c divided by b into d. That will be the compound ratio. And if I give you a ratio a by b, then square it, you will get duplicate ratio of this. So 2 by 3, duplicate ratio of that is 4 by 9. Alright, triplicate means cube that. Subduplicate means square root. Subtriplicate means cube root, and reciprocal means reverse the ratio, reciprocate, right? ठीक है. अब देखो how question can be formed. It's a very good question which you are seeing over here. If what the question is saying, if p by p minus x is to q minus x be the duplicate ratio of p is to q, then show that 1 by p plus 1 by q is equal to 1 by x. So I can say p minus x and q minus x is the duplicate ratio of p is to q. So duplicate ratio of p is to q, what it will be? I can say duplicate ratio of p by q or p is to q will be square of this, so p square by q square, right? And this is equal to p minus x into q minus x. So I can say p minus x upon q minus x is equal to p square by q square, right? Now let's try to simplify this. So if I cross multiply, I'll get q square is equal to p minus x into p square into q minus x, right? So you have got pq square minus q square x. Here you have got p square q minus p square x. Shift p square x over there, and here pq square you can shift over here. So minus p square x will become plus p square x, and here we already have minus q square x. Here we have p square q minus of p q square. Then if I take x common, guys, over here, if I take x common, I'll get p square minus q square is equal to, if I take pq common over here, देखो p square q, pq square. So pq is common in both. If I take common in the first term, 1 p is extra, in the second term 1 q is extra, right? Now I can say write it as x of p minus q into p plus q whole divided by pq into p minus q. If I get cancelled p minus q with p minus q, I will get x is equal to pq upon p plus q. This is the relation which I have got. What I want to show, what I want to prove, I want to prove that 1 by p plus 1 by q is 1 by x. So I will focus ki, oh, okay, I need to create 1 by x. How do I create 1 by x, beta? Do the reciprocal of this. So if I reciprocate this equation, alright, reciprocate. If I reciprocate, 1 by x will be equal to p plus q upon pq, which I can write as p upon pq plus q upon pq. So here p to p got cancelled, here q to q got cancelled. You got 1 by x is equal to 1 by q plus 1 by p, which is equal to 1 by p plus 1 by q. Alright, so this I can say hence proved, done, 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 done. Alright, this is how this question will be solved. So very good question. Only thing is you need to understand what is duplicate ratio and keep solving it ahead. Alright, okay, so this is how this question will be solved. Understood, guys? Then comes proportion. So proportion, it's not something hi-fi. It simply says that two ratios are equal. So if I say that A is to B is proportional to C is to D, it clearly means that A by B is equal to C by D. This is what it means. And because of that only, we say product of extremes is equal to product of means, because if I cross multiply, I will get A into D is equal to B into C. So product of the extremes is equal to product of the means, nothing else. Alright, okay. Then there is one more thing which is called continued proportion. What is continued proportion, beta? So continued proportion, देखो, here in a proportion we need four quantities A, B, C, D. So if four quantities are in proportion, we say A is to B is equal to C is to D. Now when we have continued proportion, we have only three quantities A, B, C. So in this, the ratio of the first two is same as the ratio of the second and third. So ratio of A is to B is equal to B is to C, and that is why if I'll say product of extremes is equal to product of means, B square is equal to AC for a continued proportion. And whenever in any question you get continued proportion, B square equal to AC will be used. So always remember that. Alright, beta. ठीक है. Now let's look at the question. What the question is saying: what least number must be added to each of the numbers 6, 15, 20 and 43 to make them proportional? So I can clearly say now beta, देखो what it will be, 6 plus x. Let's say we want to add x, or we need to add x. The least number to be added is 6 x. So I can say in 6 add x. So the ratio of 6 plus x is to 15 plus x is proportional to 20 plus x is to 43 plus x. That is what the question wanted us to find out, right? Ratio of 6 plus x, the ratio of the first two quantities is same as the ratio of the last two quantities, and that's what we are doing. Simple as that. All right, now all we need to do is just solve this equation, nothing else. All we need to do is just solve this equation. So you can start with product of extremes is equal to product of means. So I can say 6 plus x into 43 plus x is equal to 20 plus x into 15 plus x. Solve this equation, you will get your answer for x. Solve this equation, you will get your answer for x. So I'll just show you the solution यहाँ पे. 6 plus x into 43 plus x is 20 plus x into 15 plus x. Multiply this, x square got cancelled. At the end, you got x equal to 3. Alright, very easy question. Alright guys, so I hope all of you are enjoying the video, है ना? And these are the very easy topics. You must be thinking, sir, give us more difficult question. The questions are simple only. This is what a simple topic. Ratio. What difficult you can expect? Suppose this question. Now I would say कि it looks difficult, but it is not. Just start simplifying this. Whenever questions like these comes, you just need to start simplifying. ठीक है, start simplifying कि okay बच्चों, देखो you saw x y is the mean proportion between x y z. So I got to know that x y z are in the continued proportion. And then if that is in the continued proportion, I know only one thing, that y square is equal to x into z. From that, how do I go to y raised to the power 4? Suppose if I have y square is equal to x into z, to create y raised to the power 4, I can do square on both the sides. So I'll get y raised to the power 4 is x square into z square. But x square into z square is not satisfying this, right? It is not this thing. So we need to do something. What else we can do? I can start simplifying LHS and try to go to RHS. That's what I can do. So that is what I'm going to do in this question also. So the important thing is not to be afraid of a question just by looking at it. Attempting the question is very important, because many times, guys, the most lengthy questions or the questions which looks most difficult are not that difficult. They are comparatively easy. All right. So this guidance is very important, guys. So be regular in the class so that you will get these tips, tricks throughout this session. Different video, different sessions, different types of question comes, and I get to remember, okay, this trick will work here. So these tricks only will going to help you to understand the question. All right. To develop a mathematical thinking. Mathematical thinking means you start thinking with reason. You start thinking with the outcome, that okay, if my outcome is y raised to the power 4, how can I reach for y raised to the power 4? All these things are very important. All right. So what do I have over here, guys? So I have x square minus y square plus z square whole divided by x raised to the power minus 2. I can say it is 1 by x square plus 1 by y square plus 1 by z square is equal to y raised to the power 4. Now I have told you beta, since they are in the y is the mean proportion, it is given that x is to y is proportional to y is to z. In a continued proportion, this middle quantity is called mean proportion, this z is called third proportion. So I can clearly say y square is equal to xz. And whenever mean proportion is coming, beta, this y square equal to xz, continued proportion, this must be used. So I can say, so let's reduce the terms over here. So we'll get x square minus xz plus z square divided by 1 by x square plus 1 by xz plus 1 by z square is equal to y raised to the power 4. Now if I take LCM in the denominator over here, I will take the LCM as x raised to the power x square z square, right? So I'll write it over here. So here I have x square, x square minus xz, x square minus xz plus z square, x square minus xz plus z square divided by, if I take the LCM over here beta, so LCM is x square upon z square, है ना? So let's take the LCM over here as x square z square. So to create here x square z square, I have to multiply this numerator of the first one with z square. Here we have already xz. So what we need to do, guys? Sorry, one more thing. Here it is minus sign. It is minus sign over here. It is minus sign. So here I need to create minus. Xz is there. How do I create x square z square? Multiply with xz. So here it is minus xz. And here already z square we have. What do I do to multiply to create x square z square? Multiply with x square. So plus x square. Alright. Now you will see the numerators will get cancelled and this x square z square will go up. Okay. So this and this is fairly common. This will go up. So I have got x square minus xz plus z square upon x square minus xz plus z square, and this into x square z square has gone in the numerator, is equal to y raised to the power 4. Okay, this to this got cancelled. Acha, let's start with LHS only. Why I am writing y raised to the power 4 everywhere? Why am I doing it? No need to write it. We are starting with LHS, right? We are starting with LHS. So let's say LHS is this. LHS is this, and then we are simplifying LHS. So LHS we have got it as x square z square, which I can write as xz whole square. Xz can be written as y square's whole square is nothing but y raised to the power 4, which is equal to RHS. So LHS is equal to RHS. I can say hence root. So देखो बेटा, अब this question which looked so difficult, it was nothing but just the addition of fractions. Nothing else, not more than that. What else? There is nothing else. Alright. So that is why I am saying, guys, that whenever the question looked very difficult, please think about it once. Don't be like, yaar, this question looks so tough, I cannot solve it. Don't have that thinking. Alright. Don't be afraid of any question. Try all the questions. Alright. ठीक है बच्चों? So this is how this question can be solved. Now, as I'm telling you that this guidance is very important when you keep getting tips, tricks in your studies. Alright. And you get a constant support. All these things are very important for completing your whole this whole journey or this complete year for your studies, and you come out of this year with flying colors, with good marks. That is very important. And especially talking about good marks, I can be very I can be of the very strong opinion over here that Vedantu at here at Vedantu, we will be your most reliable source for your studies. Why I am saying reliable? Because no one else is going to come up with the warranty with which Vedantu is coming. That is Vedantu's Improvement Promise, which is VIP. So under this beta, we give you the guaranteed improvement. What do we do? We give you guaranteed improvement. So we give you the improvement ki guarantee, which is the best guarantee ever. Simple hai beta, you join Vedantu and we make sure that you will improve in your marks. If you don't, take your whole course fee back. That's the guarantee we have. You don't improve in your marks, take your whole course fee which you have paid. Yes, you heard me right. Alright, so this is what the guarantee is, and I hope you are very excited. And obviously, no one in no school, no one will give you this guarantee which Vedantu is giving you right now. What are the features you are going to get with this? Alright, when you are coming for Vedantu's classes where you are getting the guarantee of your improvement, what amazing features you are going to get in the Vedantu's subscription courses. So first thing beta, you will be able to access unlimited live classes. Once you will be taking the Vedantu's Pro Subscription, you can attend as many classes as you want. There will be no restrictions on that number. Next, you'll be able to compete with the students and which will be from all over the world, so you can get to see that where do you actually stand. Interactive replay, that means that even while watching the recording of a class, you can attend the quizzes, right? Suppose right now at YouTube, this is a recorded class, right? So I cannot take your quiz, no matter how much I want to, I cannot take your quiz. But in Pro subscription, even when you're watching the recording of a class, you'll be able to attend the quizzes. Next is downloadable notes, quality test, assignments, and also the most important thing, doubt solving in the class. So in class doubt solving, beta, other than the master teachers, there will be present extra teachers, more teachers who we call our class teachers, and they will take care of your doubts throughout the session. They'll be live, and anytime you can ask your any doubt during the teaching, and they will explain that to you. So such an amazing feature, and with this feature, beta, we want to be sure that none of our students go with any doubts in their head. All the doubts must be solved. All right, so all this you're going to get. So that means I can clearly say, guys, when you take Vedantu's course, first thing first, your whole syllabus will be completed, and your doubts will always be answered. And also you can study a topic as many times as you want with the help of micro courses and crash courses. So you can use these courses for the revision, for if a test is upcoming, quickly revise a topic, or if you want to study a topic in advance, you can use these courses. All right, so remember, guys, less is more, less price, more classes. The link for the subscription is mentioned in the description box of this video, as well as in the pinned comment. Just go there and apply the coupon code GPE Pro, and this coupon code, it will make sure that you get 10% off. Yes, you heard me right, 10% off, and that will be the minimum price at which you will be getting the courses. All right, so let me quickly show you guys that what you can do. For example, let's say you go to this video, ratio and proportion video. Now either you can see in the comment section here, subscribe to Vedantu Pro now, and this link is given, or in the description box here, register for Vedantu Pro subscription, click on this link. Once you have clicked over here, guys, now here we have grade 10th ICSE 2022. If you want to change your grade or your board, here by clicking on change it, class 10th, grade 10th, and then click on get started. All right, then we have Pro Lite, Pro Classic, Pro Plus. All right, beta, so in all these three courses right now, GPE Pro is already applied over here in the coupon code. If not, you can write over here GPE Pro and you will get 10% off. Now all these three courses, guys, you can clearly see there are different prices because they have different features. Although the classes will be same, the teachers will be same in all the three courses. What changes is the after class experience. So classes and the features during the classes, that is online classes, test series, assignments, notes, doubt solving in the class is same in all the three features. There we don't say ki classes will be different for Pro Plus, different classes will be different for Pro Lite. No, classes are same for everyone. Only thing is the after class experience. If you think that you do a lot of self study and you have doubts which may occur even after the classes, and you want the immediate redressal for that, you can go for Pro Classic because it comes with doubt solving on mobile app feature. And then Pro Plus, it has doubt solving on mobile app plus personal mentor as well. So personal mentor, you can think of them like your teacher, motivator, supporter, constant support you will be getting from that. Them, any doubt you have, academic, non-academic, any query, you can always reach out to them. Alright, guys, now suppose Pro Lite, if I talk about you're interested in, let's say Pro Lite, you want to try this. So alright, you understood, okay sir, there is a guarantee of improvement, still I want to see how the classes are. You can do one thing, you can try this course for 1 month. Alright, once you try this course for 1 month, after that you will be satisfied, and then you can come buy the complete course. When you buy the complete course, guys, that time VIP promise will be applicable for 1 month duration. If you are coming there, that time it is for upon buying the complete course. And remember, you can only try it for 1 month. Once you are satisfied, you can go for the Pro subscription for the whole year. You might think, sir, I only afford this 1 month price only, sir. If I'll keep paying 1 month, then I can afford the whole course. So don't worry, guys. when you will click on buy complete course, EMI option is also available. So it won't be like you have to pay all fee all together. If you want, you can go for EMI option as well. All right. Okay. Any other query which I was not able to answer in this, please go to the bottom of this page for frequently asked questions and you will get your response to all these. Alright guys, ठीक है, चलो let's move ahead with the next part. So now comes properties of proportion. So we have invertendo. I have told you invertendo means what? We are doing the reciprocal of both the ratios. Alternando, so B and C interchange their places. Componendo, if the four quantities are in proportion, their sum also will be in proportion with the quantities. Their difference also in the dividendo, and componendo and dividendo is the combination of both, and it is the most important one. With the help of componendo and dividendo, we have solved some equation as well, as in this question. Alright, in this question, they are saying, using the properties for proportion, solve for x. अब देखो बेटा, whenever there is a plus b into a minus b form is there, what we'll do? We'll apply componendo and dividendo rule. Let's apply that. So you know, in the componendo and dividendo rule, we will first add both the numerators. So add both the numerator and denominator. So 3x plus square root of 9x square minus 5 plus 3x minus square root of 9x square minus 5. So this 9x square minus 5 square root part will be gone. So we are left with 3x plus 3x, which is 6x, divided by, if I subtract, it will change the sign. 3x will become minus 3x, it will become plus. So this time 3x will get cancelled and we'll get 2 times of square root of 9x square minus 5. And here we'll be having 5 by 1. So 5 plus 1 is 6, 5 minus 1 is 4, which is 3 by 2. Or we can do one thing, we can cancel 3 by 2, 3 ones are 3 twos are, sorry, 3 ones are 3 twos are 2 to 2 got cancelled. So we are left with x upon square root of 9x square minus 5 is equal to 1 by 2. Now to get rid of the square root, square on both sides. Alright, so if I do square on both the sides, I'll get x square upon 9x square minus 5 is equal to 1 upon 2 square is 4. 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4. Cross multiply, 9x square minus 5 is equal to 4x square, minus 5 over here, 4x square over there. So 5x square is equal to 5. X square is equal to 1, that means x will be equal to plus minus 1. Right? This step is very important, guys. If x square is equal to 1, x will be equal to plus or minus 1. Because 1 square is also 1, minus 1 square is also 1 only. Alright? So simple componendo and dividendo rule, and we have got our answer. As simple as that. Alright? So I have told you beta, this componendo and dividendo rule is very important. It will help you in answering the equations also, in solving the equations. Now let's look at a word problem. It's a very good word problem. See what it is saying. In a mixture of 120 kg of milk and water are in the ratio 5:2. So we have 126 kg of a mixture in which some amount of it is milk, some amount of it is water. But we don't know what is the quantity, but we know that the quantity is in the ratio 5:2. So let's take milk as 5x, water as 2x. I can say, sir, 5x plus 2x. But this is a mixture, right? So if I add the quantity of milk and water, I should get 126 kg. So 7x is equal to 126. So x is equal to 126 by 7. Which is equal to 7 ones are and 7 eights are. That means the milk will be equal to 5 into 18, which means 90 kg, and water is 2 into 18, which is equal to 36 kg. So at the starting we have 90 kg of water, 36 kg of 90 kg of milk, 36 kg of water in that mixture of 126 kg. Now what they are saying, how much water must be added to this mixture to make this ratio 3:2? That means in this mixture, how much water I should add? So let's say water to be added. Let's say water to be added is, let's say, y kg of water we need to add. All right. So now in this mixture, we can say, देखो, milk is how much? Milk is, again, we are not adding any milk, so milk will be 90 kg only. Water now, earlier it was 36 kg, now y kg more you are adding, so 36 plus y kg of water you have. And the ratio is given as 3:2. So I can say 90 upon 36 plus y, I can give it as 3:2. Alright, so beta, I can say, so 36 plus y is equal to 90 into 2 by 3. This is 30 times 30 to 2 is 60. So 36 plus y is equal to 60. Y is equal to 60 minus 36, which is 24 kg. So to make the ratio 3:2, what we need to do? We need to add 24 kg of water more. We need to add 24 kg of more water. As simple as that. Alright. So this topic is done, beta, and this is how you can see the questions are not very difficult. It's very easy. Alright. Now this is your homework question, guys, and I would wait for all of you to give me your answer in the comment section, and those students who will give the correct answer, I'll show their name in the next class. So don't forget to write the answer in the comment section and be prepared for the next class to see your name in the starting of the session. Alright guys, so this is all from my side in today's class. I have already told you about the Vedantu Pro subscription. Don't forget to apply GPE Pro to get 10% off, and in this beta you are getting unlimited live classes and unlimited micro courses. So these classes, this price is not just for covering your syllabus once. You can cover your syllabus as many times as you want, because you have unlimited micro courses. Study a topic as many times as you want. And then comes the guaranteed improvement, Vedantu's improvement promise, in which we are taking the full responsibility, full ownership of your studies, and we say, you join Vedantu, we will make sure you will improve. Now it is not the time to say you can improve, it will be you will improve. That's the guarantee. And if you're not, take the whole course back without any question asked. Only thing, we want you to maintain 75% of the attendance and 75% of the test you complete, which is very small, right? Alright, so this is all guys from my side in today's class. The batches are starting very soon, and please don't wait ki the batch will start on 5th July, so I'll take the course on 5th July. Don't wait for it, because micro courses are also running. So you can join micro courses and you can try to interact with different teachers. Alright, any suppose you understood, if you are coming over here, you understood algebra from me better, take algebra micro courses from me. You understand, suppose Sir's trigonometry, go for him. Whatever you like, you can explore many teachers in the micro courses. So that is why I would say join as early as possible and explore the micro courses. Alright, all that. There is a lot for you to see at Vedantu's courses. Alright guys, so thank you so much for coming to the session. I hope all of you enjoyed it. And obviously, please, you have come to this far, don't forget to like the video as well, share the video with your friend, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much guys. Milte vapas. Till then, bye bye. Sayonara, Khuda Hafiz to all of you. Bye bye.